Oh, sorry, didn't notice you there. Welcome to the Goldmark Gallery. By day, you'll find us working with some of the finest artists and potters in the world. But what many people don't realise is that by night, this place is transformed into one of the most intimate music venues around.
You left our favorite song playing on the radio. Way to go, man, that shit roll.
We've had some extraordinary performances here at the gallery. People like Richard Thompson, Sam Lee, This Is the Kit, and many, many more. Some of the performances we've had in this tiny space have been nothing short of magical.
And so the outside bashes us in, bashes us about a bit.
World-class musicians, artists who normally fill out concert halls, perform right here in our tiny 60-seat auditorium in Uppingham, Rutland, England's smallest county. And to celebrate this musical heritage, we've launched a brand new YouTube channel. We're calling it the Goldmark Front Room. There you'll find live performances from our latest shows, plus gems from our extensive archive of past concerts. So, don't forget to subscribe to the Goldmark Front Room YouTube channel. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a performance. And if you want to see one of these extraordinary performances for yourself, you can check out our concerts and book tickets on our website, goldmarkart.com.